Hey guys, welcome to a new video. It is time to play dress up. A little over a year ago, I did a video where I went through my closet and pulled out all of the items that I keep in my closet but never actually wear, creating outfits around one of those items every day and only wearing the things that I normally never wear. And it was such a valuable experiment. I really learned why I don't tend to wear certain items that are in my wardrobe, what are maybe items that I need to slowly phase out of my wardrobe that I just no longer enjoy wearing. It's been a while since I did that, and I did this the last time in winter, so I thought it was time for a new round. I'm gonna do it again. It is summer now, although I must say it is a very cold summer. We're having temperatures of around 15 to 20 degrees right now, so pretty autumnal weather. I definitely can layer up and style these items in more exciting ways than just putting on a dress. So what I'm going to do in this video is to create a week's worth of outfits centered around items I have had in my closet for a long time, but just don't end up wearing ever. So first of all, I think I need to take you along to the bedroom and pick out these items that I'm going to work with. Alright, I have 5 items here that are going to be my challenge for this week, so let's go through them. First thing I have here is this skirt. This was originally a hand-me-down. It's a really lovely skirt. I actually really like this. I altered it so that it now fits me and is my size. It's really cute. I don't really know why I don't wear it. I think it's because I don't have an outfit ready in my head when I look at this skirt. Then the second item is one that I made, and I'm very sad to say this. Usually I wear the stuff that I make loads, but this, not so much. I don't think I have worn it at all, actually. I think the problem with this is I just don't have an outfit that goes with this. I tend to wear my clothing in outfits, and this just doesn't have an outfit. Then the next thing, this is a beautiful, true vintage blouse, sleeveless blouse. I haven't worn this, first of all, because I'm a little bit scared of wearing it, because it looks pretty fragile, but also it is sleeveless and has a pretty high neck. And I find that a rather difficult shape of garment to style. I find it hard to make that flattering on myself. But once again, it's a challenge. We're going to see how I do with this. Then there is this blouse, which is also a hand-me-down. I used to wear this a lot. I wore this a lot when I was in university, but I haven't really worn it since then. And I also haven't gotten rid of it. I still really like this. I think this is really pretty. It's a fairly unique looking blouse while still being simple. I think the problem with this is that it doesn't really go with my new, more vintage and cottagecore style. It's very modern in a way, but also not modern enough to be trendy. And then the last item is another blouse. It is this one. This is a blouse that I got a couple of years ago. It is pretty poor quality. It's Primark. It's made of a very inexpensive printed cotton. And this should by all means go with my vintage style. So again, I'm just gonna challenge myself, see if I can style this so that it doesn't look as cheap. So those are the items. That is what I have to work with. And I think I'm gonna pick one of them out straight away and start assembling an outfit. And I think I'm going to start with this vest. Okay, I kind of feel like this is cheating, and I swear it wasn't intentional, but it looks so cute with the dress that I was already wearing. I'm gonna try and make different outfits as well, but if I don't come up with anything, then I say this is a winner. Whether this is it or not, I think will be determined by whether you think an outfit can be too hobbity or not. I do actually think I put this together and then I realized I think this is my actual Hobbit outfit from my Lotter bounding video. It's cute. I have to say it's cute, but I'm just not sure I would actually wear this in daily life and not feel like I'm wearing a costume because it's very, very Hobbity. I've got it. It's pretty clear to me now that this was always it. These two items were meant to be together. Obviously, I'm wearing the pink on the floor dress, one of my favorite dresses, one of my most worn items by far in my wardrobe. I decided to pair it with this hand-painted silk scarf that my grandmother made me, as well as my brown boots. It just came out as an autumnal outfit. Nothing I can do. But I also paired it with my brown bag, and yeah, that is it. I feel super foresty in this. I love it with the scarf as well. I feel like it needs that little pop of green somewhere else just to tie the whole thing together. But yeah, this outfit, absolutely love. I would definitely wear this, and I will definitely happily wear this for the rest of the day. I will see you tomorrow for outfit number 2. Today I want to work with this thing right here. It's the warmest day of the week, full 21 degrees. Yay! It's now or never, I think, with this one. So it shouldn't be too hard, right? I mean, it's a white blouse. I wear white blouses all the time. I'm just gonna try a bunch of things, see what works, see what sticks. Let's get started. This is the one! Yay! I have to say I loved it with the dirndl as well, and I am for sure going to wear that combination one day. But this outfit won because honestly this skirt was also very much a candidate to be in this video. This is a skirt that I never wear, and I feel like they actually go so well together. So I decided to just finish this outfit, make it a whole thing, and run with this one today. So I paired it with my blue Vivaya flats and this white and blue hat. I know my outfits tend to be very matchy, but I enjoy that. I could have gone with brown shoes and a brown bag with this one as well, but I just couldn't resist pairing it with these shoes. And I just think it came together very nicely. I think this is an adorable outfit. Definitely one I would wear. Definitely something I feel comfortable with, and I feel like this is very me. I do feel like myself in this. I've actually come up with several different ways to wear this top, so hopefully I can sneak that back into rotation now. And let's move on to the next one. This blouse. The objective for today is to make this blouse look classy, good, not like a Primark blouse. Let's see what we can do with this. I'm afraid this is the best I can do with this blouse. I don't love it. It's okay, but I feel like I could do this exact outfit with any other blouse and it would still look good. It would probably even look better. Me and this blouse are just done. There isn't any outfit that needs this blouse in order to be complete, and there isn't any outfit, any particular outfit that I can think of that would make this blouse look super, super cute. I liked it with the skirt as well. I could do the exact same outfit with the skirt, but I just don't love it. I'm not super hyped about wearing this. It feels a little boring, and yeah, I'm just not sure about this blouse anymore. I'm not entirely sure I should keep it. As for today's outfit, I am wearing again Vivaya flats, the black ones with brown. I'm wearing my brown and gold Nord Green watch. Some let me get up a little bit closer. I'm wearing Anna Louisa necklaces layered to dress the blouse up a little bit, but I don't feel like it's really working. It's just a very difficult blouse to style. Let me know how you would style this. Let's try this skirt. It's gonna be a little bit of a challenge because I have no idea what tops to wear with this, but that's the whole point. This is what I arrived at. I don't love it. I think it's the best option out of everything I've tried, but honestly I wouldn't wear this. I just have to accept that this skirt doesn't go with my wardrobe. I don't have anything that goes with it, and I also don't think it's the most flattering of items on my body. It looks a little bit, I don't know, old on me, maybe a little bit too mature, and I just don't know how to style it. But as for the outfit, I am wearing the blouse that I recently made with it today. I think it does tie together the colors quite nicely. And for the shoes, again, I just wasn't sure what to do, so I'm wearing some nude ballet flats with that pointed toe. Slightly disappointed, but I think it's time to phase out this skirt as well, because it just doesn't work. Hopefully the next outfit will be better. The last one, this blouse. Now, this is a very okay, decent enough blouse. The challenge with this is to make an outfit with it that I actually feel excited about, because I do feel like this blouse, easy as it is to combine with everything, maybe that's the thing that makes it very plain. I just don't know how to wear this so that I love it. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this, but let's get started. Here's what I arrived at. A pretty boring outfit, if you ask me. I usually tend to style this blouse in very office-y ways, which isn't a style I like at all. I'm never in an office. It doesn't make sense for me to dress that way, especially if I don't particularly like it. So that's a no. I tried to think completely out of the box and style it with one of my cottagecore style skirts. Didn't really work. The style is just very different. So in the end, I kind of compromised, and it is now semi-passably vintage, I think. I think this is the best I can do with this blouse to make me like it, but I think I just need to accept that this blouse, as well as with the previous two items, I just don't like it. And that is why I don't wear it, and anything I pair it with, even though it does work in certain outfits, I just don't like it. I paired it with a black skirt and a black belt, a necklace, and my Vivaya black sandals. Let me come up a bit closer, show you the necklace. There we go. But yeah, this blouse is it's just not very versatile, I think. So it may be time to part ways with this as well. And that brings us to the end of this experiment. I really enjoyed doing this. It made me see that some of these items, all of which I was reluctant to let go, I now know for sure that I just don't work with my wardrobe, aren't my taste anymore, and that I won't be able to make cute outfits with them even if I try. And other items that I was, you know, hesitant about keeping and wasn't sure that I would be able to make outfits with, I actually found one or more partners for in my wardrobe. It was very illuminating and enjoyable to do. I really enjoyed it. I think it was lots of fun, and I highly encourage you to do this with any items that you have in your wardrobe that you know that you never wear, but also don't really feel comfortable with giving away just yet. This is a great way to get to know them a little better, see how they work in your wardrobe, and see if you can justify keeping them or not. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and enjoyed going on this little experiment with me. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more fashion, beauty, sewing, and lifestyle videos. If you would like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there are links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!